Hi, and welcome to part 2 on how to use the pen tool. If you saw the first video, you'll see we covered everything in this blue swatch here, plus these 3 white boxes. Everything except for what is highlighted in yellow. We did not add curve handles while using the pen tool, and we did not use the convert point tool. In fact, I thought that that tool only had one function, which was to add a curve, but it turns out it can also have the function of a straight line. So we'll get to that next. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure your swatches are correct. I have a black stroke with no fill. Let's grab our pen tool and let's start out by making a two-handled curve. We're going to use the straight line method that we used last time, so everything should look familiar. We're going to lay our first anchor point here. We're going to come up, make this little mountain look. We're going to left mouse click, only this time we're just going to drag and create our curve handle. And then we're going to let go, and we're going to left mouse click here, and we should have our curve. Now I'm going to come over here and lay another anchor point, and we're going to go back up and do it again. Left mouse click, don't let go, drag it out, get your curve handles, let go, come down here, place your anchor point. Let's do another one. Let's go all the way up to here, hold down the left mouse key and drag, and then let go, and then come down here and lay your next anchor point by left mouse clicking and hit the enter key to get rid of the blue line. Whoops, maybe that was a little premature. Let's hit edit undo. Okay, so there we go. Okay, now to check that you do indeed have two handles, let's grab the direct selection tool and see that yes, this has two handles that can be moved around, and this one has two handles that can be moved around. Same here. Okay. And okay, let's move on to drawing a straight line and then a one handle curve. Let's grab our pen tool. Let's left mouse click here, go straight up with our straight line, left mouse click. And when you're coming down to this side, you can see it wants to make a straight line. However, I would like a curve, so I'm going to follow the line back up and wait for the little symbol in the bottom right to turn into the convert point tool. Then I'm going to left mouse click, hold down the mouse key and drag out. I am not dragging out another path. I'm dragging out handles. You'll be able to see the little blue ball. I'm going to let go. And then now you can see I have a curve. So all I have to do is lay my next anchor point by left mouse clicking. Okay, so let's do that again. Let's come over here, go back up with our straight line. And then, oh, look, it wants to make another straight line, but I would like a curve, so I'm going to follow it back up. It's going to turn into the convert point tool. I'm going to left mouse click, hold it down, drag out the handle, and then let go when I have it where I want it. And then come down here, left mouse click my next anchor point, and hit the enter key to stop this blue line from following me around. Okay, so the next one we're going to do a curve first and then a straight line. So let's go grab we still have our pen tool, so let's make our first anchor point, come up here and left mouse click and drag. And look, it's going to want to make that same two-handled curve. So I'm going to let go. I have my curve on my left. I'm going to let go. And I would like a straight line here. I would like a straight line. So to do that, I'm going to follow the line all the way back up. Left mouse click this anchor point one time, let go of the mouse key, and then decide where I want my next straight line. Left mouse click here, and I'm putting my straight line down in that spot, and then I'm going to come over and do it again. I'm going to click here, come back up, left mouse click and drag to get those handles. Okay, so I got a curve on the left. I don't want that curve to continue, so I'm going to follow it all the way back up to the anchor point, wait till it turns into a convert point tool, left mouse click, let go, and then decide where I want to lay my path and click my next anchor point, and then hit the enter key to stop from being followed by the blue line. Okay, let's check our work real quick. Let's grab the direct selection tool and come over here and hover over this anchor point and see that we do indeed have a two-handle curve. Same here, two-handle curve all the way down the line. Now let's come over here, and remember, if your curve handles are gone, you can use the direct selection tool to click the path. It'll reappear. You can see we only have one curve handle to adjust. And if we come over here, we can click, the handle will reappear. We only have one curve handle to adjust. Same here. Okay, so that is everything, I think, from this tutorial, other than let's just show you that while we're here, that if you wanted to move any anchor point around, you can just grab it and move it. If I wanted to move two at once, I would click one and it would be highlighted as a solid square. I would hold down the shift button, click the other one. They're both now selected. Then I can grab that path and they will move together. So that's about it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.